The deadline is here, Monday, October 18th, when governors in Oregon and Washington require many workers to be fully vaccinated or face losing their jobs. In Oregon, state officials have not said exactly how many people are subject to the mandate, but according to the Oregonian, it appears to be at least 200,000. That includes 43,000 executive branch workers under the governor's control, but unions representing 38,000 of those workers negotiated a deal giving them until November 30th. The good news, about 90% of those workers don't need an extension because they are already fully vaccinated. Educators facing the deadline also have vaccination rates much higher than the statewide average. Some schools saying better than 90% of staff members are vaccinated. The same can be said for hospitals, where the looming mandate spiked vaccination rates up. As an example, Portland-based Legacy Health recently said the vaccination rate of its 14,000-person workforce has increased from 85 to 95%. Legacy imposed its own deadline earlier this month, so 700 unvaccinated workers are already on unpaid leave. Multnomah County Health Officer Dr. Jennifer Vines says we are still learning the effects of vaccine mandates, but she generally supports them.
They are not new. They have actually been a cornerstone of public health and of improving the health and lives of people for over 100 years since vaccines really were invented.
In Washington state, Governor Jay Inslee's deadline is the same. 60,000 state employees have until Monday the 18th to provide proof of vaccination. Last Thursday, Inslee touted a 92% vaccination rate for those state employees, writing, quote, "The sky-high vaccination rates we're seeing should settle any concerns. There will be no massive disruptions in state services." But with nearly 5,000 state employees who have not provided proof of vaccination, agencies from transportation to fish and game to Department of Corrections are planning for staffing shortages. In Washington, as in Oregon, prison workers are lagging behind other state workers with 85% vaccination rates at last check. Dr. Stephen Krager is deputy health officer for several counties in southwest Washington. He says for anyone up against a mandate deadline, the science is clear. COVID vaccines are safe and effective.
You're not going to be harmed by getting vaccinated. So, keep your job. Get vaccinated and hopefully, protect people along the way.